Hello everyone, welcome again to my store here in Charleston. Got some new things in, some daggers, some badges, but I want to show you a banner, and I'm going to come around so you can see me. This banner here that just came in, this actually came out of Belgium, where it was supposed to be. Quite old, it's got a few repairs here, it's got a few moth holes in it. But you'll see the marking here on the side, the VNV. And this would have been a volunteer unit, Flanders volunteer unit in the German army. Again, a lot of volunteers in the German army against Bolshevism during World War II. A lot of people don't know about it, but it makes for a great read. And here is an original flag from that unit. Very happy to get this one in and preserve some history. Again, as always, thank you for watching.